Welcome everybody, this is Alphadas and I'm Anusima. Welcome to the third video. So let's get started with idle. So today we are seeing string functions. Let's just make a string. Oh, hello, I love to eat pasta and noodles. Says okay. Now we are performing some of the string functions on this string. Just opening a file. I just want to. I think so. There is no need of that. So first, our first function is str dot index. Now this will bring the index of every given string. So might get. I think so. There's some problem with this text. I is this. Let's try for count. Okay, so what's I? One pair. Sorry. I have given this string and I am passing str. So a string dot index of I. So it is giving us 6 since the index of I is 6. If we give O also, string dot index of O. So this will give the index of the first occurrence of the character or a string which we are passing. If I want to pass L, so it's giving 3 because the LO is present as is starting as third. Now the second function is count string dot count equals to O, and there are 5 rows present in this string. It is first one, second one, hello to eat pasta and noodles. I think there's some mistake with this. Just check it for. Yeah, it's correct. So this will give the occurrence of the number of time the particular string occurs. If we go for H, it will give 1. That's correct. Now if we want to convert the particular string into uppercase or lowercase, then how we'll do that? So first I will show you lower. The function lower is used to convert the string into lowercase, and same as the function upper is used to convert the string into uppercase. There is another string which is no another function which is strip dot strip strip. Okay, so remove what does this functions do? You can't be able to understand now, so I will just show you. uh, as I have given, there are 5 spaces over right and the left section, and just enter, and just I want to strip that white spaces. So this function will strip the left and the right white spaces from this string. Now next is the split function, which is this will split, and I have given the list split, but we are splitting by space. So what does it do? So here I went in the list. So as you can see, hello, I love strip, and string equals to split, and now as list. So you can see that the our string is split into number of lists. This is an list is this in another data type which is similar to, we can say that, array. Next function is capitalize dot capitalize, and that's all. So this will capitalize the first alphabet of the string. So this next we move to some other functions like starts with. So what does this function do? String dot starts with a, I give a, so this should return false, as it doesn't start with a, it starts with h. So if it starts with, if we give h, then it returns true. Similarly, if we pass some string like hello, so after do, so this function checks whether the string starts with a given string or character or not. If yes, then it is true, else it returns false. Next is ends with. Similarly, starts with it's check whether the string ends with a particular string or character. If yes, then it returns true, else it returns false. So let's just check this. So that's it. I might show you some other. These are the some of the functions which are used. I might show you some other functions which is expand. So that's the nice one. I like. Okay. So str equals to slash n hello slash t nice to meet you, and that's it. So if you print str that, you will see the tabs here. So we will going to use another uh, string function, which is expand tabs, which is, so what does this function do is it's the expanding this t tab, and here you can see the space which is expanded. There are several functions like okay, uh, as we can see is digit. So it returns false. It will check whether the given string has digits or not. If yes, then it returns true, else it returns false. Next is identifier. Okay, so it returns false. It returns is check whether the given string is identifier or not. Similarly, there are is upper, is lower.
What soja?
Hmm. So that's it for today.